Hi guys, this is my video, and today we're going to make slime. And let's just get started.
Okay.
We're gonna use some glue, which Daddy.
So what you want to do is use 7 ounces of glue to start.
1,
Pour that.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Get it all in there. You want to make sure you get the whole thing.
Yeah, you do.
Okay. Now the next step is some people like to add color.
Okay.
And one way to do that is to use food coloring.
Yeah. And it's very hard. So that's why Christina kind of has to do.
So if you want pink, you can just use a little bit of red.
Yeah. Actually, I want red. A lot.
Okay. All right. You want to mix that in there.
Yeah,
really
you do.
good.
Ooh. Sorry. I know. Do you like it, guys? Ooh, it's glue, guys. This is the last thing. You want to get that all in, right?
Yeah, you want to mix it real good. Keep mixing it.
There, I think it's done. Oh.
Okay. Now the next step you want to do
put it in.
is you want to get
Let
1
me put it in.
tablespoon of baking soda.
Yeah. And Christina's gonna hold it. Because Daddy's kind of...
Okay, go ahead. Now just put that in there.
and then
You want to mix that in there.
Yeah.
Just mix it real good.
Yeah, so it can turn into slime.
Really just got to get in there and whisk it real good.
This is really hard.
Consistency is important, folks. Nice. Want to try to get all those lumps out of there too. Okay, I think that's good. Now the next step. This is where it gets crazy. As soon as this stuff touches the glue.
Yeah, and then it's gonna turn into slime.
Very important step.
Yes.
Okay, ready? Now you want to do a little bit at a time.
Yes.
Mix and dribble it in. Keep going.
Look, guys.
Now you can see it starting to stick. Keep going. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Yeah.
Ew.
Keep mixing it.
Sorry, guys. This is kind of funny.
Okay. Keep mixing.
Sorry.
It's starting to stick together real good.
Now, you gotta take this thing out.
At some point, you're gonna need to knead it.
Yeah, and I don't know why. And let me just...
Okay. Now you can start kneading it, mixing it in your hands. Go ahead.
And it's kind of fun.
Just gotta keep kneading it in your hands, mixing it with your hands.
And it's...
Here, you can't see you.
Sorry.
Keep your hands right here. Camera can't see you.
Sorry. I'm kind of having silly. Right now, I think it's not even sticky anymore. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you at the end of the video. Oh, and okay, we just needed to sorry, we were just looking at a moment. Let me just stir.
Okay, looks like it's already pretty good, right?
And now I'm gonna get this thing. I'm gonna get some more out.
Now that is some good slime.
I know.
Do a lot of things with this. Know your parents. Stick it in a container. It can make fart noises.
Yeah. And I don't know why Daddy I don't know why. Okay.
There you go. And that's it.
Yeah. And I forgot to tell you. After the video, we wanted to show you that we can play Minecraft.
No.
Yes, you.
Alright, that ends the video. Like and subscribe and comment below for more, if you want to see more videos or if you have ideas on how to improve the recipe and make it better. And once we get 10,000 YouTube subscribers, we're going to give a giveaway. So keep checking in at our YouTube channel. It's called Tacky Toy with Christina and Daddy. Okay. End video.